All right, the day has arrived. You saw my other video. If not, go back and check it out where I applied for and got approved for the Apple Card. And the physical titanium card just came in from FedEx. So let's do a proper unboxing. So I'm going to go ahead and break the seal for the first time. There we go. Here we go. Let's take it out of its wonderful packaging here. And oh, there it is. And I wasn't worried about them getting my name spelled wrong because you type in your own name. You confirm everything. Now, the way you actually activate the card is pretty cool. Instead of calling a number, instead of going to a website, you actually go to the home app, or not the home app, but the wallet app on your phone. And if I were to just be in the regular wallet app, I would hit the Apple Card. And it even knows that my Apple Card is out for delivery. And so I can go ahead and hit Activate Card. And all you do to activate the card, believe it or not, is tap your phone on the chip that came in the carrier. And it asks me, do I want to activate my card? Your card is ready to be activated. Yes, I do, but it's done it. My card is now ready to use as a regular credit card. So I'm going to get 1% back if I use the physical card, or 2 to 3% back, depending on the merchants, if I use Apple Pay or the digital card that's in my wallet. And again, for people like, well, why do you like this card? Why is this card so cool? Because number one, it's one of the best ways to manage a credit card I've ever seen. There's no website to go to. I don't have to log into an app. It's just always in my wallet. It's always keeping track of, showing me my purchases. I can see my weekly activity, how much I spend per day, per week. So last week was $388. I can see the categories on which I spent that money on. And most importantly, I get daily cash back. Not a month later, not 2 weeks later, not 2 months later. I get it back the very next day after I make a purchase. And that stuff goes right on your Apple Card or your Apple Cash card that's in your wallet as well. So if I were to get out of this one, we can see in my Apple Cash card, I've got right now $5.91 to spend, or transfer to my bank account, or whatever I want to do with that money, or transfer to a different person. So let's take the titanium card out of its carrier. And here it is. So it is an actual metal card. There are no numbers on it. There's no CCV code. There's no credit card number or expiration date. This is all digital. So this is the card you would use to plug into a chip reader or swipe for magnetic transactions on the spot. And then let's say this number that's built into the card did get compromised. Instead of your company having to send you out a new card, all you'd have to do is go back to the wallet app, manage your card, and change the number for the card. You can do that in the wallet app itself. So never really needing a replacement card unless you actually physically lose it or damage the card itself. So here it is, my new titanium Apple Card. Thanks everybody. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye everybody.